Welcome back to our home audio and desktop entertainment gear showcase. Today, we are carrying out a rigorous technical teardown of an incredibly flexible, plug-and-play active sound system. The Klipsch R-50PM powered monitor pair represents a highly calculated evolution in the active bookshelf speaker category. It is incredibly helpful to clarify right away that while old-school hi-fi bookshelf speakers force you to buy a separate integrated amplifier, route thick copper speaker wires across your furniture, and manage multiple remote controls, this streamlined active package houses everything you need inside a single master cabinet. Klipsch has engineered this reference-grade set with high-efficiency custom Class D amplifiers, a larger edge-to-edge Tractrix horn, and an integrated phono preamplifier, giving you a premium, minimalist alternative to standard plastic soundbars and complicated stereo stacks. The foundational acoustic victory of the R-50PM design platform centers completely on its upgraded driver profile and active signal equalization. At the top of each cabinet sits a 1-inch aluminum linear travel suspension tweeter locked deep inside a massive, 90 by 90 degree edge-to-edge Tractrix horn. This physical horn loading acts as a natural mechanical amplifier, widening your listening sweet spot while focusing crisp vocal definition and instruments directly into the room. Sitting right below is an eye-catching 5.25-inch copper-spun thermoformed crystalline polymer woofer. By using steeper cone angles and a deeper rear-firing port cabinet, the mid-bass response is remarkably fast and tight. To top it off, Klipsch has loaded the internal DSP with a dynamic bass EQ engine. This smart software monitors your master volume level in real time, automatically boosting the lower frequencies when you turn the music down so you always experience full, rich low-end impact even during quiet nighttime listening sessions. But what truly transforms these monitors into a complete multimedia command center is their vast connectivity matrix. Looking at the back panel of the master active speaker, you will find high-resolution digital optical and USB audio inputs for clean plug-and-play connection to your television or laptop, alongside a fast wireless Bluetooth chip. Vinyl enthusiasts can plug a record player directly into the premium analog RCA input jacks. Simply flick the hardware switch to activation mode to engage the built-in phono stage without needing an external preamp. The back panel is rounded out by a dedicated subwoofer output line, which automatically applies an internal electronic crossover filter when a bass bin is plugged in, keeping the main drivers running clean and loud. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below to let us know if you prefer powered active monitors over traditional component audio setups.